Hello everyone, it's Bernadette, Simply Art, Cape Town. Thank you for joining me again. I'm going to be doing a triptych. This is my biggest piece I've ever done, or 3-piece I've ever done. It's going to be done on a 10 by 20 inch box canvases, or 25 by 50 centimeters each one. And I'm going to be doing a split color Dutch pour across the 3 canvases. So let me get the base color laid down and then I'll talk to you about the colors that we will be blowing out. Thank you for being here once again. And thank you for watching. Alright, I've just painted my sides in the colors that I will be using. So I'm going to be using a teal. This is a color that I've mixed up using Viridian and some white acrylic paint. I'm also going to be using an apricot, that's the second color, all in the Dutch pour consistency. And then I've got my jug of white paint, all the same, more or less the same consistency. Each paint that I will be using as a base color. The colors that I'm going to be using on this canvas is going to be cerulean blue and a tan. I'm also going to be using a coral and a gold. I will also use a white, and I've mixed up some aqua. It's a mix of different blues and a white, and I'm only going to use this as a highlight after the Dutch pour if I need to. So let me get the colors laid down. Let me start with the apricot. I'm going to put you on speed while I do this. Alright, let's torch this. The colors are laid down. It's looking nice. Very, very soft colors. Nice, restful on the eyes. Just cover that space there with a dot. There we go. Alright, let's lay down our colors. I'm going to start with the cerulean blue. This is cerulean blue. I'm adding the tan next. This is tan. I'm going for gold now. The next color is coral. And I'm going to add the white. And I'm going to add a hint of the aqua. Just a hint of the aqua. Let's torch the colors again. Just picking up those drips. Even though I'm going to blow it out, I still want to pick up these drips. Alright, that looks really good. Let's blow this painting out. Alright, let's go for it. Shut down. I have no idea. It's 100% full, fully charged, and it was going so well. I don't know what happened. The camera just shut down. And I only realized it when I looked up after I had blown the full painting out. So I'm really, really sorry. I'm so sorry that this has happened. I'm about to torch it now and then bring you down for a closer look. I am feeling so bummed. I'm feeling so bad. I can't understand why this has happened. This is really has never happened to me before. I'm really feeling very deflated, guys. This has never happened before. I so sincerely apologize for that. Let me bring the canvases closer together first.